Okay, we have a Bridgeport Vertical Machining Center, model VMC 480P3, serial number NVLA5E0012. Machine was new in 2005 and we're gonna run it for you. Machine has a FANUC control. Spindle's running at 1,000. Spindle goes up to 10,000 RPM. It is a BT40 spindle. You have a side mount 20 tool automatic capacity tool changer. That's 3,000 RPM. You have 19 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 17 of Z. You also have a 23.6 by 15.8 T-slotted table. That's 5,000 RPM. 7,500 RPM. Again, the machine does go up to 10. So spindle stopped. So moving your X, Y, and Z. Gonna do a tool change. You have telescopic weight covers, all axes. You have flood coolant. One tool change. Second tool change. To Z. Y. X. Okay. Hey, thank you for watching our video.